Welcome to a summer special of Outside Parliament, where we take up issues, serious issues which the BJP really wanted not to discuss in their campaign. Thank you for joining us. Remember, we are on every day at 11 a.m. and we try and take up one issue where the BJP have no answers for. So today, our special issue is the promises they've made and what's the reality. 5 such promises broken coming up. So here we go. The first promise they made was about jobs. 2 crore jobs annually. We all know he said that. Never kept the promise. Instead of creating jobs, many jobs have been lost in the last 5 years. Current rate of unemployment in the country is 6.1%. We all know that. Highest it's been in 45 years. While all this is happening in Bengal, unemployment very good, down in fact 40%. Demonetization, GST, hasty implementation of GST, 2 crore jobs wiped out. Second promise, which also went underwater. Modi ji claimed that his top priority is doubling farmers' income. Now, of course, they've changed the goalpost and they've said that they'll do it in 2022. In Bengal, farmers' income has not been doubled. We promised to do it. We haven't doubled it. In fact, we've tripled farmer income in Bengal. Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress government. And in contrast, what have the BJP done for farmers? In 10 years before the BJP came to power, agricultural growth was at 4.2%. In the last 5 years, it's fallen, dived down to under 3%. Real income of farmers has reduced by 6.5% in the last 5 years. Again, down. And farmer suicide has gone up by 42%, and every 1 hour, an Indian farmer commits suicide. Third promise, not delivered. 2014 campaign, so much talk about black money, corruption, 15 lakh into your bank account. Nothing has happened. Nothing has happened. Government has done nothing to bring back black money. The demonetization, we all know 99% of the money came back. Task force which has been set up, but no significant process. There is, as we said once in Parliament, the finance minister is answering debates about Kashmir instead of answering debates on finance. The Panama Papers, friendly media not doing any stories on the Panama Papers. Tell us, why no action against all those public figures mentioned? Then of course we have Modi ji, the other one that is, Nirav Modi, Mehul Choksi, Vijay Mallya. You all know that story. Let's come to the Lokpal. Again, promises made, not delivered. 5 years to appoint the first Lokpal. It's not clear whether the rest of the commission has still been appointed. No one tells us in Parliament. Fourth promise not delivered. Women's reservation bill. You have a majority in Lok Sabha. Why didn't you pass the bill? We make a promise to you. Trinamool Congress will put 41% women candidates. 41% women candidates. The BJP put 12%. What women's reservation bill will they bring? We'll pass that women's reservation bill within 100 days of this new non-BJP government coming to power. Of course, we'll pass it unless the opposition will be the BJP at that time, oppose that bill. Fifth promise, the manifesto, high priority to judicial reforms. Nothing has happened. Judicial reforms, you all know that famous photograph of the Supreme Court press conference. Very bad. As of March 2018, 9 vacancies in the Supreme Court, 417 vacancies in the High Court, 5,500 vacancies in the district and subordinate courts. Absolutely nothing happening for judicial reform. So many promises, all made in that 2014 manifesto, but not delivered. So today we took you through 5 promises to show you how the reality is very, very different. Young India and not so young India. These are the issues which you must vote on. Not these conversation distractors who are trying to go far away from these issues because they have no answers. From outside Parliament, thanks for watching. And let me tell you, at the rate they haven't delivered their promises, the reality is so bad, the BJP with the terrible twins, when the results are announced on May 23rd, make sure we get them to drown.